All over the world, manufacturing leaders, just like you, are struggling with supply chain inefficiencies. From the simplest part to the most technical robotic arm, your facilities depend on people working with machines to get the job done. And when something breaks down, it could be weeks before production is back up and running while you wait for new parts to arrive. Meet the Xerox ElemX 3D printer, which brings resilient, effective, additive, on-demand manufacturing to factory floors everywhere. ElemX avoids the drawbacks of messy, traditional 3D metal printers. It uses readily available off-the-shelf metal alloys that produce parts complex enough to handle your most challenging operational needs, and for a fraction of the price. And unlike burdensome powder-based fusion technology, ElemX requires minimal safety equipment. Best of all, it can be installed in a single day. No expensive and time-consuming retrofitting needed, and takes up little space and uses less power than you would think. You can go from delivery to print in no time at all. And when it comes to training, ElemX features a simple, intuitive interface, so your operators can quickly learn to design and print the parts your business needs. So relax, because with ElemX by Xerox, on-demand manufacturing is simpler, safer, stronger.